What is a 三体？三体是什么？ You are a bug. 你们是虫子。三体 is a science fiction written by Chinese author Liu Cixin. You might watch already the series of Three-Body Problem and In Source of the Nature and Universe like me now. Shall we learn some words related to nature and universe in Chinese? 三体 means three body. 三体，三体。The term 三体 refers to 三个星球的运动。三个 three 星球 planets 运动 movement 三个星球的运动。人类 human race 人类人类。外星人 aliens 外星人外星人。文明 civilization 文明文明。太阳 sun 太阳太阳。太阳系 solar system 太阳系。地球 earth 地球地球。月亮 moon 月亮月亮。火星 Mars 火星火星。宇宙 universe 宇宙宇宙。星球 planet 星球星球。星星 star 星星星星。银河 galaxy 银河银河。宇航员 astronaut 宇航员宇航员。自然 nature 自然自然。森林 forest 森林森林。山脉 mountain range 山脉山脉。湖泊湖泊 lake 湖泊。河流 river 河流河流。海洋 ocean 海洋海洋。花朵 flower 花朵花朵。树木 trees 树木树木。动物 animals 动物动物。昆虫 insects 昆虫昆虫。虫子 bug 虫子 bug。 Well done! Thanks for learning with Ito Chinese. Do you like the content of this class? Hope you can support me, send a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. 谢谢，下次见。